Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to use banana for our hair treatment. And banana, if I can tell you a whole lot of things about banana are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine, prevent and control dandruff, and moisturize your hair. Banana are rich in potassium, natural oil, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which helps soften the hair and protect the hair natural elasticity. The next thing we are going to add to our banana treatment is egg. Egg promotes hair growth. Eggs are abundant source of protein, nutrient that serve as hair food. So the next thing we are going to add to our ingredients is honey. Honey has antibacterial qualities. It also prevents scalp infection and soothes issues like dandruff, eczema, and what have you. My oh my, I can't do my banana treatment without adding natural vitamin E to it. What it does is vitamin E keeps hair follicle healthy and promotes healthy hair growth. It also promotes blood circulation and acts as deep moisturizer for your hair and prevent breakage and brittle hair. And this is my application bowl. The reason why I saved 2 bowls is that I don't want to waste this one, the product that we've made. We don't want to waste it, so I've made 2 bowls that I'm going to use this one to apply the treatment on the hair. So I've got my brush, and so I will take what I need into that, and I've got my clean film that I will use to wrap it. And because it's a bit watery, what I will use is I will use the cotton wool around the hairline so that it doesn't drip. That's why you saw all these things there. And so you can see why I chose those ingredients. The scalp is a bit dry and the hair itself looks a bit dry. That's why I chose all the ingredients that I chose. So the application cotton wool will be around there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a clean film around it, and I'm leaving it for an hour. I'm not going to use any heat. I'm just using the heat from her scalp to let it work. The hair is all covered, so the heat will work, and I'm putting the towel on as well so that we get all the heat in the hair for the pores to open. So this is the remaining one. That's why I didn't work it from there, it would have been so watery. So this is the remaining one that I divided it or just put some in the application bowl. So that remaining one, I'm going to put it in the freezer and wait for a week or 2 when I'm doing mine or when she's doing hers. So this one will be in the freezer for a week for us to use it later. Finishing result. the scalp is so clean. We've washed it and we've used cold water to do the last rinsing. So as you can see, it's all shiny, and we are going to style it and leave it to dry. So for more videos of how I'm going to palm roll her locks, subscribe and you'll see how I'm going to palm roll her hair with natural oil. Alright, see you later. Bye.